Hola, buenas tardes. So I'm taking a little walk in the village right now. It's been super windy today, like 20 miles an hour winds. It's crazy. But tomorrow morning it's supposed to calm down, so I'll be taking the bike to Meseta, but right now I think I'd get blown off the road. So this right here is the main square. Hola! So a bike rider can revive us now. It's the village fountain right there. It's a strange looking rock or something. So yeah, this is the town square here. Not much going on. So over here we have the Casa Consistorial. It's like the city hall. Let's see if you can see it. That's it. That's where the people voted on Sunday. That's the first time I'd actually seen it open. So yeah, so in this town there are two bars, the Los Cigüeños, and then there's another bar. This is it right here. This guy in there, he was super nice. Yesterday he came and he fixed my my blinds for me because I had accidentally pulled them up too high and I couldn't get them back down. So he actually came to the house and he was so nice to take the cover off and to fiddle to get them out. So that was nice. Yeah, the village people here are super nice. You just have to approach them with a cool attitude. Yeah. So yeah, I'm enjoying this town. So as you can see, I'm about to get blown away, but the temperature is actually good. Even though I'm wearing a sweater, I'm kind of hot, but the wind is blowing so crazy that it's not totally inappropriate to wear this right now. So yeah, all right, there you have a little village tour. Not much to see right here. But it's, oops, almost fell. Okay, all right, here you go.